Guys, welcome back to my channel. So on my previous video I already taught on how to download the Blender. It's a free software. Please check it out. If you haven't downloaded the Blender, I am going to attach the link into the description so you can watch step by step. So back to the topic. Today, I want to teach you on how to transfer files on Blender video editing section. So guys, I will try to help you and make it easier as possible so you can use the Blender without any hassle. So let's begin. To begin, just go to the add, click the add button and go to the movie. Here you can add your video, and if you want to add image, you can go to the image or sequence. So because I'm going to demo on how to add transfer files, so it's better I will use the video. So I'm going to click now add and click movie, and I want my file, this file, and let's click add movie strip. Now can you see this too? Well, this blue darker color, it represents your video, and this lighter color, it represents the sounds. So let's try if it's working. It's kinda cool. So now you know already the first option on how to transfer files. There is another way on how to add or transfer files from your file explorer. Okay, now let me delete this first so I can properly show it to you. Alright, and now even you are in this window, you can click your file explorer. Over here, just click the folder where is your file is stored up. So you just click, let's say mine it's stored in new folder. I'll just click on it, and I want to use this newest logo. So what I'm going to do is I will just simply drag it into this section. There you go. I can drag this and drag that as well. As you can see guys, this one, it represents the duration of the video, this black line. So you don't want to end up your video until right here, because your video duration is 498. So how you going to move that black line? Go to the end, this one, and you can just drag it rightwards. There you go. Or there is another way, you can just click it and direct 498. It's also working in that way. Let's check. You can check the duration over here. If you can see, it started in -1. I'm gonna make it 0. So I got a uniform. They got uniform starting duration. Let me put 0. Now let's try. Good. This is so good. So guys, now you already know on how to transfer the video files on your video editor Blender. On my next video, I'm going to teach on how to cut your videos and on how to speed it up. So hope you're gonna watch that, and after that I'm going also to do tutorial about adding text. So thank you so much for being with me in this video. So I hope you can work with Blender and just keep practicing. Okay, bye.